Why do genetic mutations lead to devastating USMLE Step 1 conditions? Imagine your body's cells as tiny factories, each with a set of blueprints called genes. These blueprints tell the factories how to build proteins, which do everything from helping your muscles move to fighting infections. Now, if these blueprints have mistakes or changes, it can cause big problems. That is what we call genetic mutations. These mutations can happen during DNA copying or because of environmental factors like radiation. When mutations occur, they can be point mutations, where just one letter in the DNA changes, or frameshift mutations, where insertions or deletions shift the entire reading frame. Sometimes, whole chromosomes are affected, leading to abnormalities like extra copies or missing parts. These changes can mess up how proteins are made or how they work. For example, a mutation might cause a protein to be misshapen, non-functional, or overactive. If a critical enzyme or structural protein is affected, it can lead to disease. In some cases, only one copy of a gene needs to be mutated to cause a problem, like in autosomal dominant disorders. In others, both copies must be defective, as seen in autosomal recessive diseases. Many conditions tested on the USMLE Step 1 come from these mutations. For instance, Huntington's disease results from trinucleotide repeat expansions, which cause the gene to produce an abnormal protein. Down syndrome happens because of an extra copy of chromosome 21, often due to errors in cell division during egg formation. Cystic fibrosis is caused by a mutation in the gene for a chloride channel, leading to thick mucus buildup. Sickle cell anemia results from a mutation in hemoglobin, causing red blood cells to become sickle-shaped and less effective. Mutations can also affect genes that control growth and development, like FGFR3 mutations in achondroplasia, which causes dwarfism. Understanding these mutations helps future doctors recognize how diseases develop, diagnose them accurately, and think about possible treatments. Knowing the inheritance patterns helps predict who might be at risk and guides genetic counseling. In essence, genetic mutations disrupt normal gene function, which can lead to the serious conditions emphasized in USMLE Step 1 content. Mastering how mutations cause disease is key for both passing the exam and practicing medicine effectively.